Yesterday, we agreed to approve a balanced budget that protects essential services, safeguards hundreds of local jobs, and provides assurances to the workforce. The budget also increased spending in areas such as education and social services over and above the level of support provided by the Welsh Government. The budget was, without doubt, one of the most challenging we have faced, but it is a good budget, and some of the key highlights include: firstly, we are increasing our social services budget by 13.8 million and increasing our schools budget by 7.64 million. Following feedback we received from residents during the consultation process, we have reduced the proposed increase in fees and charges from 10% to 5% for some services. I am happy to report that we will be expanding our welfare rights service for 2 years. We will be able to help more residents to maximise their income through the benefits advice, ensuring that residents can access what they're entitled to. We also propose a use of £4.9 million worth of reserves to meet the 13% increase in paying for essential fire and rescue services and maintaining and delivering our indoor leisure services. We have decided on a below-inflation council tax rise of 4.5%. Whilst this is an unfair tax on residents in Wales, we have had to raise the level to cover many aspects where additional income is required. This will mean residents on bands A to C will pay between 96 pence and £1.28 per week. This recommendation wasn't made lightly given the ongoing cost of living crisis, but it ensures vital services for residents are protected. There are no job losses, and we are still able to provide additional resources into areas such as planning and economic development. I would like to finish by thanking everyone who has got involved in the consultation process. Almost 1,000 people gave us their views via questionnaires, meetings, letters and emails. What you told us helped us to shape the final budget. As the new Rainbow Coalition, we are very proud of the work we do for our communities across Cynnydd Port Talbot, and this budget will enable us to continue to provide the essential services for our residents while we continue to find new and improved, better ways of providing those council services. Thank you.